हम लोग गए थे जूडियो पार्क स्ट्रीट वाला एंड बहुत हाइप में था जूडियो, लाइक सेल भी चल रहा था, बट व्हेन वी रीच्ड देयर कुछ भी नहीं था. माइट बी सेल में पहले से सब कुछ सेल आउट हो चुका होगा, और माइट बी इट वाज जस्ट अ हाइप बिकॉज वी डिडंट गेट एनीथिंग, नीदर वी लाइक्ड एनीथिंग. सो हाइप तो इतना ज्यादा था, इतना ज्यादा. मैं कब से एक्साइटेड थी कि मैं जाऊं जूडियो में और देखूं, बट उतना तो मतलब कुछ भी नहीं था. बट एनीवे ठीक है.
100 का
100 रुपया? हाँ,
100 रुपये.
एक ग्लास का 100 रुपया. ओह, और मौसमी जूस?
हमें 50 का.
मुझे मौसम भी दे दीजिए. विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल त भिड 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 रहेछ. 15 अगस्तको दिन त अन्त भिड हुन्छ नि, छुट्टी सबैको हो. सो अभी हम लोग आए हैं साउथ सिटी, बट आई थिंक इट्स टू क्राउडेड. बाइकै हेर्न कति रहेछ नि त. हम लोगों को अपना खाना मिल गया बिकॉज इट वॉज सो क्राउडेड, द लाइन वॉज सो ह्यूज. टेबल भी नहीं मिल रहा था. वी हैव रिक्वेस्टेड समवन कि उन लोगों के बाद हम लोग बैठेंगे. सो वी हैव कम होम जस्ट नाउ ओनली एंड आज हम लोग गए थे बाहर, बेसिकली माई सेल्फ, जास्मीन एंड मरीना, क्योंकि दे आर गोइंग होम, तो उन लोगों को लाइक कुछ खरीदना था. तो वी वेंट here and there. We went to Judio, we went to West Side, and after that we went to South City Mall. And when we reached there, oh my god, the mall was like totally crowded. There was not even a single place to sit and have our lunch. People out here, they celebrate each and every festival so nicely. Whenever we went outside in any festival, people, they come with their family, with their son, daughters, their grandparents, and they celebrate, they enjoy, they have fun, and they just, eat food and they enjoy their time. Like, आज तो Independence Day है, 15th of August, and everybody were celebrating, having food joyfully. It was too crowded, there was not even a single place to sit. But, उसी बीच में कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं कि I don't know, उन लोगों को क्या बोले. वो लोग एजुकेटेड है या नहीं है समझ में नहीं आता है. Because I think the people who are educated and have a little bit of civic sense, they will never ever, वो लोग कभी भी ऐसा कमेंट पास नहीं करेगा. So हम लोग लंच करके निकल ही रहे थे. Out of nowhere I heard a word, and I saw a guy commenting on us, "What's up, Momo?" I got so furious. I just turned my face towards him and I saw a group of people, in a round table sitting there having their lunch and just passing a comment, "What's up, Momo?" There was a guy, a young chap, right? And when I saw him, he was just hiding his face. If he has to hide his face, then why to pass such kind of comment? And first of all, do I look like a Chowmin or do I look like a Momo? These people doesn't know that we are an Indian and the Northeast, Seven Sisters, it's a part of India. और ये एक चीज़ तो है, ये ऐसा कुछ भी होता है ना कमेंट, ये लोग अकेले नहीं बोल सकते. Whenever there are so many people और वो लोग झुंड में होते हैं, तभी ये लोग ऐसा टाइप ऑफ comment pass करते. Otherwise they don't have the guts, they don't have the courage to come forward and say all those kind of words momo chowmin on the face. इतना state में issue हो रहा है, right? Such a big crime has happened. The doctor who was in a duty 36 hours का ड्यूटी करके she has lost her life. हम लोग 9 घंटे का ड्यूटी कर नहीं पाते, थक जाते. 36 आवर्स का ड्यूटी करके she has lost her life. Such a heinous crime has happened with her. I can't even imagine the pain she has gone through, the pain her family is going through. People are right now so furious. Everybody came together, no matter whether it's children, youngsters, everybody, every family are right now together fighting for the justice. And ऐसा लड़का लोग भी होते हैं जो चलते फिरती लड़कियों पे कमेंट मारते हैं. मुझे कमेंट मारने से पहले तो उसको जाके वहाँ पे खड़े होके वो राइट कॉज के लिए स्टैंड लेना, अगर लेता तो बहुत अच्छा होता. वी डू हैव अ स्मॉल आइज, लेकिन स्मॉल आइज भी ब्यूटीफुल होते हैं. We do have a fair skin. That doesn't mean that we are a Chowmin or a Momo. People, anybody can come and comment on us, Chowmin Momo. It's not acceptable. Is he living in the Middle Ages? He doesn't know anything about the history. The India has a 7 sisters, right? And our type of people stays on those 7 hilly stations, right? And it's a part of India. There are so many people, my friends, my, surroundings, our neighbors, uncle, auntie, there's so many people who loves us so much, right? They respect us, we respect them back, right? Nobody calls us Chowmin and Momo. We stay in the same locality, area, society, very peacefully, very nicely. और ऐसा ना एरा गैरा नत्थु खैरा लोग ही ऐसे ही होते हैं, ऐसे ही बोलते हैं Chowmin and Momo. They doesn't have anything to do in life. I was very, very furious at that point of time, but I will not give a right to anybody from now onwards to call me a Chowmin or Momo or whatsoever, or Chinese or Chinky. अब तो मैं जाके straight face में बात करूँगी. I don't know where are we heading. God has created we humans so nicely so that we human can love each other, respect each other. अगर दूसरा दिन बोला होता तो शायद मैं ये एड्रेस करती भी नहीं. बट आज इंडिपेंडेंस डे के दिन, राइट, एंड इन दिस स्टेट वेयर देयर इज सच बिग thing has happened and everybody are fighting, standing together for the right cause. Where are we heading? We really don't know. So yes, so thank you so much guys, and I'm gonna see you in another video. Till then, you take care of yourself and also the people around. So bye bye.